You like that sock, Pumpkin? Oh yeah, you like that stinky sock. He loves a stinky sock. What if I give you another one? Blow your mind. Better than catnip. Try not to destroy it, okay? Try not to destroy it. Oh, he likes it. Oh, he likes it. Oh, he's so happy. You happy, Pumpkin? Oh, you love those stinky socks so much. I'm telling you, better than cat. Oh, careful. Got the sheets there. No sheets, buddy. Better than catnip. Stinky socks. Oh my God. You love it so much.